Hey guys, so we came to Home Depot. I've been looking at swatches. I think I'm liking Ballerina the most. Yeah, I think Ballerina is definitely gonna be the color. And if I hate it, I'll change it. Like mine is either Ballerina or I think it should be these three and Cherry. I like the way those look together. Yeah, they do look pretty. That'll be cute. And it'll complement my wall. Okay? What's wrong?
Set up though. Oh, you really don't care for it?
I think this brand is coarse.
Not too much, not too much. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. Alexa, play some music.
What do you got? Like tools and shit? Like oh, it kind of dries white. So it moves on pink.
Yeah, it dries white.
Okay, so. Red. That's what stuck my teeth. I'm like, not sure I can do it.
Yes, I really don't know.
Super normal. Normal. This is me normally dancing. Act natural. Don't look at what they sell that sucker on. Like what would you say?
It's so white in here.
It is very white some bright.
I haven't recorded myself all day, but I'm on my last client. The style's coming out cute. Look at the white ball. I'm basically done. She went to the bathroom. I'm about to clean up and get out of here. It's crazy. I was literally about to walk through the door just now, and I just instantly started crying, just a whiff of like crying. Like, I'm so proud of you, Giselle. You did that. You're moving on. You're doing better for yourself. You should be so proud of yourself. I am. It's just very surreal. No, that's mommy.
That's mommy.
That's my YouTube video though.
No, girl, we were watching that.
Wow, mommy painting.
Yeah, you see mommy painting?
What is yours?
It's so so pretty.
I want to help.
You want to help? Okay, later on when mommy needs help, okay? I don't say shit. Look at my new wall.
You always say that.
You can save it if you want, just not in here.
She said you want to save it to your house and enjoy.
I didn't pay shit, guys. I paid these two over here. Okay, guys, we're about to get ready to head to the studio. Today is moving day officially for my new studio. We painted yesterday, so today we're bringing everything in, we're building everything, and hopefully have everything set up. I am not putting my shelves up just yet. I think I'm gonna just see when my big sister could do it, because I ain't doing that shit. But I need to put up shelves so I can put like my shampoo and conditioner and stuff. But right now they can stay in the little storage thing. And then I also need to order my sign today. I'm missing a nail. Tiff, come back. Look crazy. I hope you're having a good time. I put the wig on. Eating the girls up. Ooh. We got some patelitos and some juices. I got a tamarindo juice. Jolene got a chinola juice. That shit orange as hell.
I got a ginger ale.
Yeah, Rebecca, they didn't have limonada, so she got ginger ale, her favorite. It's so good.
Ay, pastelito doce.
Ooh, it's hot. The sauce is the same one. The chicken and cheese one though? I don't taste that one. It's both of the ones I like, just in one. Last time I had that in that empanada place, they used American cheese. So I was like,
Never again.
oh, and that monumental, whatever that thing is. We mad Spanish because we get this every single day. To the point where they be like, oh, no, like they know me. But this is my snack.
Right.
Like, you smell the cheese right now? I love this cheese. What cheese is this?
I don't know, it's giving me so different.
Look at that. And it stays right there in place.
That's exactly what I think it's such a mistake. It's not like sloppy.
These little missing nails really sending me.
The masterpiece one.
Oh, bro. A show is right on. A show is right on. What's this thing? I'm gonna zoom in and everything.
Oh, did you put
Man, napkins. Whee! The last time y'all gonna see this little walk. Cause I'm probably not coming back here. Riverdale probably never see me. I gotta drop off my keys today.
Bye, Riverdale.
Bye, Riverdale. Next time I'm here, hopefully I own a condo over here somewhere. Yes, I cried like a baby yesterday. Oh, I think Steph is still here. Oh, wow. That's the end of it. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. The floor. It feels so empty. This is so surreal. I'm so excited. I'm so nervous. My first space ever. Very grateful. Okay, that's the last of it. We're out. Love you, Lush. I will see you guys later. Ready to go?
We ready to go, honey. Ready, Freddy?
Come on, Eddies. It's moving day, it's moving day. My moving day was actually June 26th, but I play all day. And I had clients, so I took off Thursday and Friday to get my suite together. It's 11 o'clock. My ref said 11 that we're gonna finish, and we did. This is my garbage and stuff that I'm tossing. My room is like semi-done. I wouldn't say like fully done, but for the most part, it looks really good, right?
It's really good.
I'm excited.
You gonna show them or not yet?
I think I did. Okay, I'll do a little whoop de whoop. How cutesy. Jolene's room looks so cute too.
Yeah, Jolene's room is not cute.
We have to get out of here. It's getting late. I'm off tomorrow as well, so I'm gonna come work on it tomorrow. I was supposed to be off today, but I ended up taking one client and I'm gonna take my cousin. So I actually have 2 clients in the space today. What's up, guys? So I'm at my suite. Y'all see the new pink walls. I'm so excited. I actually have a bunch of stuff that I was not able to open. So I'm about to do an unboxing of all the Amazon stuff I have. So right here, we have this box. We have other things right here. So let's start off strong. This big ass box. I wanna know what it is. Three, they don't show me what people got me. Oh my God, did 2 people got me side tables?
Drum roll, please.
This says, I wish you nothing but peace and happiness in your new space, and it brings you dollars from Jessica. Aww, thank you so much. This is a side table. I think it's a little tray that I have, but it's crazy because I feel like I just had a. Oh, is this the box? This box?
No.
Did it say side table on it? I feel like there was one that said side table, but is it this one? Oh yeah, look, this one says side table too, so I hope it's not the same thing. It look about the same. This feel like it's the chair, but let's see. I gotta open them. When I open them, oh, it says the same as serial number. I could give one to Jolene. Okay, my next one. Let me get the letter. So chaotic. Enjoy your gift from Shamika. Thank you so much, girl. That's one of my clients. Oh, she got me the extension thing, so I'm able to blow out extensions. Like I could just stick it to the wall, put the extensions in here. Oh, that's gonna be so cute. Imagine that on the wall. For the content. This is gonna be.
That's very close.
This is clutch. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let me find out y'all really be listening to me. So y'all be getting me stuff I need. Okay, we have another one. What's this? What's this? Oh my God, who got me this? Wait, I think it's my, is this a shears? Oh, it's my shears. And it's a silicone heat resistant mat. So this is for your hot tools and things. This will go on the black tray. Oh, I'm so excited. Who got this for me? Oh, Jessica. It says Jessica Albertino. Isn't that Tiffany's last name?
Yeah, that is Albertorio.
That's Tiffany's last name.
That is.
That's Tiffany.
Is her middle name Jessica?
I think this is Tiffany.
Is she playing?
She said, if I haven't told you I appreciate you, then I'm telling you now. K Toodles from Jessica I think it's Tiffany. I think it's Tiffany. That's what I'm like, thanks, Jessica. Bitch, that's my bitch. That's my bitch, Tiffany. Like, oh my God, I think it's something mad. Oh, you love me. You love me. And I was just talking about how I need my shears. Oh, she loved me. Okay. And then I have this. So they actually had packaged it and they put the gift receipt like in the shipping thing, so I had to like flip the shipping thing over, and I saw that it was from Nashari. So thank you so much, Nashari. I really appreciate it. And this is, I think this is the blow drying thing, right? Let's see where it says it. It says the name BU.
Right.
Oh yes, it's the hot tool that has the different heads. So it has all the like blow dry brush and the crimp thing. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. Ooh, I can't wait to elevate my whole space. Have new hot tools to work with, have some fun with. Oh, and I have one more, but it's heavy. It's that Salon tension mat thing. I got that from Yvonne, so thank you so much, Yvonne. You know, I appreciate you. She got me a tension mat, and that shit is humongous. I actually have to put it out in like now so that it can flatten out by the time I work on Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching my unboxing. That was the end of it. I think I have some more stuff, but I'll show you guys the end result when I finish my room and everything.